Okay, let's say you need to hook up a camera to your computer and the camera needs to be, say, 10 feet or more away from the computer. And so you just take two USB cables, extenders, and you plug it into your camera. So this is the final extension, and here's the camera. And you plug them together, and your computer comes up with an error saying that it can't read the device. And the reason why the computer can't detect the device is because the signal that's being propagated from the device is too weak to actually get to the computer properly. So what you need to do at this point is either go out and buy a USB repeater like this one, which is, I believe, 5 meters long, or what you can do, provided you have the right materials, is use a USB hub. And what you would do is disconnect the camera from the final extender, grab your USB hub, plug it into the final extender, and it has detected the generic USB hub successfully. And now you plug the camera into the hub. And with any luck, you'll have a camera you can utilize. So I'm going to switch over to the other camera just to prove my point. Alright, so here I am with the other camera. Now please note that the colors are going to be a little off because the infrared filter has been removed from this camera. Okay, so let's see how far away I can get from the monitor. So that's a pretty good range. Okay, so I switched over to my primary camera just because it has a better refresh rate and better quality as opposed to the one I was using earlier. Alright, so here we are. Let's see how far away I can get from the monitor. And here's the hub that I'm using. Obviously hacked because I hack everything. And let's take a couple steps back. And just to prove I'm not using my typical repeater, nothing plugged into there clearly, so we'll just leave that on the ground and take a couple steps back. Okay, so now my spatial intelligence is telling me that this camera is approximately 18 feet away from the monitor. So clearly it's a little messy, could be a little better, but if you're in a tight spot and you don't have time to wait for your order, this is a great solution. And as you can see, the refresh rate is perfectly fine. There's no lag or anything like that. Works perfectly well. So thanks for watching, and perhaps you'll utilize this in the future.